Hi guys, it's Mrs. Carr again. This week we're going to be talking about verbs and specifically action verbs. Now we all know the word action. Action is something that can be done. So that's what an action verb is. It is something you can do. So on this screen it says a verb is a word that shows the action in a sentence. Go ahead and see if you can think about some of those action words of something you can do. Here's some examples of the words that show action. Jump, I bet you can jump. Drink, I bet you can drink. Called, I bet you can call someone. Ate, I bet you could have eaten something. Cook, I bet you could cook. And wrote, I bet you could have written something. Those are all action verbs because they're things that you can physically do. See if you can think about a few more while I go to the next slide. A verb shows what someone or something is doing. Remember, all sentences need to have a noun, and then the second part of a sentence is the noun needs to do something. So here we have the cat blank. Can you think about some things the cat could do? If you thought something like, the cat scratched the wall. Ugh, bad cats, but scratched would be your verb because it is physically what the cat is doing. The next slide has the sentence, the truck blank. See if you can think of an action verb that the truck could do. How about the truck screeched its tires? Screeched would be your action verb because it is what the truck did with its tires. Look around your house, since you're at home, and make a list of some of the actions or the verbs that you see happening. If you have an animal in your house, take a look at your animal and think about the verbs that they're doing, like walking, eating, scratching, sleeping. Take a look at a family member in your house. See if you can come up with some of the action verbs that they are doing. Okay, guys, that's it for verbs. Have a great week.